Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan lauds FBR over historic tax collection of over rupees 4,000 billion. Prime Minister Imran Khan commended efforts of the FBR over crossing tax collection of rupees 400 billion in a fiscal year for the first time even in Pakistan's history. Sindh to launch solar home system project in 10 districts. Sindh government's solar home system project will be inaugurated in 10 districts of the province next month. FM Qureshi discusses diverse deep cooperation with Iraqi counterpart. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, who is in Baghdad on a 3-day official visit, delegation level talks with his Iraqi counterpart. List of 25 Karachi police stations that saw most motorcycle theft snatching incidents. As many as 25 police stations out of a total of 108 have been identified in Karachi that saw most incidents of citizens being deprived of their motorcycle, as more than 9,000 two-wheelers have been stolen or snatched during the first 5 months. Children among 11 killed after van falls into ditch near Kohala. At least 11 people, 3 children among them, were killed while 13 others wounded after a passenger van fell into a ditch near Kohala. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.